Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check screen time on iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. If you want to take a look how much time you spent in certain apps, then what you can do is open the settings. Then in the settings you want to scroll down and go to screen time. Now over here, if you didn't visit these settings yet, then you need to activate the app and website activity. So you want to tap over here and then press turn on. And there we go. Now over here, if you start using your iPhone, well, you should be able to see your activity. Over here, you can see all app activity. Like if you go over here, you can switch between week and day. Of course, you can switch to different days. We can see which apps have been used the most in a specific period, whether it is in a specific day or a specific week. And pretty much everything is noted over here, like the notifications, pickups, and so on and so forth. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!